When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday the 6th of October. I'm James Spann. Nate is the word for the weekend. Going to be a pretty rough ride for us Sunday on our part of the state, starting tomorrow down to the south. So here we go. Water vapor satellite view. No problems today. Ridging. Trough in the west. We're warm with highs mostly in the 80s, although Fort Payne is at 79. An enhanced risk of severe weather for the rest of today and tonight for parts of the southern plains. Could be a few tornadoes out in that zone. Tomorrow, marginal risk on the coast up into South Alabama. This keep in mind, this runs through 7 a.m. Sunday. That's where a few tornadoes are possible. This includes, of course, Gulf Shores, Mobile, Pensacola, Panama City Beach, Andalusia, Evergreen, Monroeville. And Sunday, there's your tornado risk. The area's in darker green. That's a marginal risk, basically areas south of a line from Mobile to Montgomery to Opelika. And again, potential for a few isolated tornadoes there. For the northern half of the state, for the moment, the tornado risk on Sunday looks very low, which is one positive we have here. Rain a bunch. This is the rain through Friday. Of course, the bulk of this will be with Nate, and we're kind of right in the bullseye of the heaviest rain. We could see some spots going 5, maybe 6 inches, and we might have some flooding issues here. Let me show you an animation. This is coming off the high-res NAM of the wind gust potential Sunday. And the numbers have really come up a little bit with this, and it looks like we'll need to bump up the wind speeds, especially for parts of central and maybe east central Alabama. This is a graphic prepared by the Weather Service in Birmingham, and I think this pretty much tells the story. Now, for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, winds in the 20 to 40 mile per hour bracket, but down there in that orange zone, Montgomery, Selma, Clanton, Alexander City, Roanoke, Auburn, Opelika, Troy, we could see winds in the 40 to 55 mile per hour bracket. These are gradient winds, and that could produce some tree and power line damage. So if we're going to see some power outages, I think that'll be the primary window where that's going to happen Sunday and Sunday night. So be aware of that. And again, this could change, but clearly the biggest impact day for the inland part of Alabama will be Sunday. We'll go to Monday. The remnant circulation of Nate is near Washington, D.C. We still have a chance of scattered showers around here on Monday. Cloudy, warm, muggy, kind of a tropical air mass left in the wake of that thing. Monday's high will likely be in the low to mid-80s. Tuesday, same thing. We could see a few showers Tuesday. Don't think it rains all day. And then Wednesday, we start to get into cooler and drier air. Although we have seen all kind of different looks in here. The model consistency has not been good, and this is Thursday. And really, the GFS on this run kind of backing off of the idea of highs getting in the 70s. This is suggesting highs could stay in the low 80s. And here's the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week. Got a ridge here, trough in the western states. And again, that looks warm and dry if this verifies. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday the 15th. Again, a flat ridge down here. A cold front to the north. Things look pretty quiet. And the numbers... And again, you can see how the GFS has kind of backed off on that cooling. Highs by the end of next week around 80 with lows around 60. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters will have the videos tomorrow and Sunday. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. And Brian is the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.